Unfortunately, I am in the sunlight. But we're gonna be riding one of the rarest rides in the world now. Let's go. All right, and off we go. Guess no announcement needed. Let's get this show on the road. I don't even know how tall this ride is. So for all I know, this thing could be 300 feet and I don't even know it. Like, genuinely, I don't know how tall this ride is. Oh, there's the land clearing. It's probably where their supposed new coaster is gonna go. Oh wait, no, that's where Sand Serpent used to be. Well, that's probably where the new coaster is gonna go. Again, I have no idea how tall this ride is. Okay, that's cool. That is cool. And kind of scary at the same time because the only thing holding me in now is the vest. When's it gonna drop? It's still going up! Wow! That was so much fun! We gotta go on this again! Again!